So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to thread this handheld or sewing machines, mini stapler sewing machine. Um, it's a mechanical one. So you can operate it just with your hand. So I'm going to show to you on how to thread this mini stapler sewing machine up first, and then I'm going to show you how to actually use it along with some extra tips also. So this part, this this one, we're going to put the small bobbin here like this, like this is a small bobbin, a small spool pin, and this is the bobbin thread. Then you do like that. But if you want to use a normal bobbin, you can use this long spool pin, but I don't have a normal bobbin thread, so I only use this small bobbin. And the second, and also if you want to change the color of your bobbin, you can pull it back and then change the color. You can use this any color if you want, the color what you want here. Then let's proceed. Let's go to the first guide. This is the first guide. Up, then like that. And the second thread guide is this. Tension. This is a tension. We're going to put like that. There are two desks. This is a two desk tension. You can also adjust it like this. And the third is in a needle. This is the needle. It's so hayag siya. Dili ka siya maklaro. Apologize. Isulod ninyo ang thread back to front like that. So hayag siya kaayo. Pag struggle mo og sulod, you can use this and then also hayag like that. This is too hard to use. You only You don't need to use electricity. You just use your force, your energy. Okay, so this is it's already, so nasulod na siya. Then this is the fascinating plates. You can up this and then drag the thread down. It's already set up na. It's already set up. Hayag siya. Hindi siya mag-flat. I don't have any machine, so I only use this my little stapler machine. This is the slide plate here, or bali ang ngipon. Muna siya ang ngipon. Then let's go. Then the thread you're going to transfer here side. That's it. Here the cloth. So let's try. You can use your right or left hand if you want, if asa mo comfortable. Then push like this. Okay, it's already finished. It's so very clean. Let's cut. Okay. Here's the result. So very neat. So, inana ang result sa back. Then, muna siya ang sa front. Siya maklaro, kay hayag nga kaayo. I don't have a good quality of camera, so and also you can bring this everywhere if you want, but for the safe, please hide this in a place na dili maabot sa children because dangerous. Same na siya sa mga machine, tung sa mga dago na machine, makakasga po na siya hazard sa children. So keep it, yeah. Thank you for watching. That's all for today's vlog.
Happen, know what could have been. Finally your face, I know it, that a sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes out one more time, maybe.